Good morning, children. In a previous video, I explained you how the internet works, what is internet, how you receive the mail, how it travels from one system to another system. Fine. Today, we'll see the advantages and disadvantages of internet. First, we will see advantage of internet. Okay, so in the field of education, the internet has changed the traditional learning systems. See, children, it is widely used for the education purpose nowadays. You can learn anytime, anywhere. It has shown a dramatic impact on the higher education, as it's a growing number of universities, schools are providing the online courses. Okay, so in education field, the internet has a dramatic impact. Okay, now next we'll see the advantage of internet in a convenient mode of communication. Through this internet, it provides a convenient and economic mode of communication. User can communicate with each other with the various services which are available on the internet. Like you can send email, you can send your document through email, you can video conference, you can send instant messaging, and so many ways are there so that you can easily communicate. Next we will see the business. Now the internet has brought a new opportunity for business. You can sell the goods, you can provide services online, which is very beneficial. You can arrange a meeting also with your colleagues, with your business partners, or you can do video conferencing facilities are there which you can use. Instead of visiting that particular place, you are present on a physical presence on that place, you can go through with this video conferencing on that particular place. Not even this, you can do a financial transaction also while sitting on your office or at home. So now a business is changed just because of this internet. So this is also one of the advantage. Now next we will see the e-commerce. Now it is the concept used for any type of commercial or the business deal, that involve the transfer of money. So many money transfer apps are there. Most widely used are Paytm, Bheem, GPay, and so many others also. So you can easily, instead of paying cash, now we are using a digital money. Nowadays many companies have their own portals, website, and Amazon is also providing this facility, which are used for e-commerce. E-commerce industry has become the biggest industry in the world nowadays. We can now purchase the variety of goods and get the services for the different shopping portals. See, you can see the bucket, and through this television or through this monitor, you can say, or with your mobile, you can purchase the things which is present in anywhere in the world. You can put that thing on your cart. Okay, just because of the help of internet. Right, you can see in the next picture the globe is there, and you are purchasing the different thing from the different continent and the countries. Okay, so this is also possible just because of the e-commerce, or this e-commerce is possible because of the internet. Now next, this internet has a big impact on media and entertainment also. Fine, it facilitated the media and the entertainment industry. You can download games, videos, songs, visiting chat rooms, surfing the web are some of the uses which attract the people toward the internet. The internet also provides the facility to read different newspaper, magazine, book online. So these are the things or the benefits in the field of media and entertainment. Next is the social networking. There are so many social networking sites are there which you can used for the communication. It offers the platform where an individual can connect with the friends and the stranger on the basis of the shared interest or the view. You know, like see, you can see the Facebook is there, the Twitter is there, Instagram is there. So many more platforms are there for the social network. Now, the another next advantage is forum. Now, what is forum? It is actually, when we talking about the internet forum, it is basically an online discussion site, you know, where the like-minded means the person who has the same interest. Like I have an interest in music, so I can join that room where the music or the person are also like the music. So like-minded people can hold the conversation in the form of postage messages. So this is called forum. So that is also one of the advantage of internet. Okay, now the next, health and fitness. So many um, internet provide the extensive information on the health and fitness. You can search, you can put the symptoms, you can diagnose a little bit of a disease, you will be aware about the diseases, all the information related with the disease. You can plan your diet, normal diet. If you're putting a weight, if you're obese or overweight, you can find out which type of diet you have to use. You can find out any topic which is related with the health and fitness. All these informations are available through the internet. So you can access this, you can download the pages, and you can read it very easily without purchasing the medical books and all. You can go through with the physiology of a human being, or you can go through the different diseases, their causes, the cures, treatment, and the where the best doctor you will get. All these informations are available in the internet. So internet play this is also one of the advantage of the internet in the health and fitness way. Now we have discussed so many advantages. Let's start the some disadvantages of the internet. First, be careful. The internet has it is a tool which must be handled with a caution, and if it is misused, it could be a hazard. Okay, some of the threat posted by the internet are the computer virus threats. The computer that are connected with the internet, that means your system is connected with so many other systems. It is more, if it is in a network, it is more susceptible or more prone to for the virus attack, which can result in the crashing of the system, data loss, and the hardware malfunctioning. If the virus entered in your system, it will start destructing your files, your hard disk, or your working. The once it will happen, you are not able to work on that system, or it may possible that the important file get corrupted, so you cannot go through with that data. So this is the one advantage of the disadvantage of a internet. Now spamming. What is this spamming? It is basically a unwanted email. So many times, if you have an email ID, you can see the spam calls are also there nowadays. Okay, that are for the commercial nature. Basically the people send the uh, product details as a commercial for the different mail ID. Fine. So that are the commercial natures, and sent indiscriminately to the multiple mailing list individuals or the news group. It is unnecessary uses of the system resources and can also be used to spread the computer virus. Sometimes this spamming mail are used for spreading the virus and the malicious software which harm your system also. Now, one more disadvantage of the computer network is theft of personal information. Now, the internet is the main source of the social evil like the privacy, plagiarism, and the privacy of the individual or an organization. One should be careful while handling the one's personal information such as your name, your address, your credit card number, etc., as they can be accessed by the hackers or the crackers of the personal monetary gain. Such element can also disturb the system application by spreading the virus, changing the program logics and the output. So we should be careful about that. So this is also one of the disadvantage of internet, that is theft of personal information. Now, chronology. This is a major issue posed by the internet. There are many pornographic sites on the internet that can be founded easily and can destroy to the mental health of the children, right? So that is also a disadvantage of internet. Now, cyber terrorism. What is this cyber terrorism? It causes a serious threat to the world nowadays. The modern terrorist organization perform a target attack on the power plants, banks, commercial areas, or the building of the national importance. Right? These can be conducted remotely with the help of mobile phone or the internet, which are less expensive and than traditional terrorism method. You must have gone through just a few days back. The one of the hacker hacked the account of our honorable Prime Minister, and one money, that is Bitcoin. If you have gone through with the newspaper, you must be aware about that. So this is also one of the disadvantage of the internet. Lastly, wasting of time. While using this Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, mail, you waste your time a lot. Fine, being a student, you put in the like, you chat, you link, you share the post, you blog. All these activities, it may waste your time. So this is also a disadvantage. If you are spending a prolonged time on the electronic devices, adversely affect on your eyesight as well. Fine. So that's all for the day, children. Have a nice day.